There may be times when you come across a book that you know you want to read at a later date with your class, and you can do this by scheduling a date for this to be done. When you open the book, rather than clicking on Read Now, you can click on Schedule, and you can schedule either one or all of the chapters. This occasion, I'm going to schedule all the chapters. I can then click on Next. I can choose the class which is going to read it, and then I can decide whether it's going to be released each day, each week, or on a timetable of my choosing. On this occasion, I want the chapters to appear once a day. I then click on Next and Add to Schedule. In a child's account, this will then appear in their Schedule tab up here. It will tell them any books they need to read and the date by when they are due. They can then click on Go to Task, click on Read Now, and then open the book to read as they would normally. They can, of course, change the settings from here if they wish to. Sometimes when you schedule a book, you might want to make sure the children have got an understanding of that chapter they have read. As you can see, each chapter has got a comprehension quiz attached to it. This time when I click Schedule and schedule all the chapters, I'm also going to click Include Quizzes. Click on Next, choose the class this is going to be applied to, again adjust my schedule and add to the schedule. This time when a child logs in and they go to schedule, they'll see the book to be able to read, and once they've read the book, they'll then be able to complete the quiz that's been scheduled. Once a child has completed their quiz, you'll be able to see how they did by clicking on the work folder from your account. Click on the arrow next to the book I want to look at and the chapter, and then click on Quiz. It will then tell me any child who's completed it and tell me their score out of 5, including by scrolling over the question mark which question they got incorrect. Just like in Purple Mash, I can then mark it by adding a comment as I need to. In the case of my Year 3 child, as I had not scheduled the quiz, it does not appear as an option in the scheduling section, whereas it did for my Year 2 child. That's not to say the children still can't answer the quizzes if they want to. If they search for the book using the Purple Mash Library search bar, or libraries, they then can see the quizzes that are attached to each chapter, and they might want to complete these in their own time.